Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the four-ways or hazard lights are located on this 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. So this is very simple. Get in the cab here. And then you've got your row of buttons right here that does a bunch of stuff, but the one you're looking for is this one with the red triangle right here. So if you push this, your hazard lights turn on, or your four-ways, whatever you want to call them, and you will have all four blinkers going at one time. Help keep you safe on the road or whatever you need. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.